In this video, we are going to discuss that how you can calculate different values of your sales and purchase. For example, you can see I have dates over here, and this is the type and the value of purchases, refund, or sales. So this is for small businesses who wants to keep track of their sales and purchase on Excel sheets. So what they can do, they just write down all of these things, and then in the criteria they mention from which date to which date they want to check the values and also the type. For example, if the type is purchase, so I'm going to use DSUM, and you can see DSUM over here, and then we are going to select the database. So this will be our database, and once the database is selected, comma, the field. So we have three fields, 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 columns. So we're going to select the columns in the field section, and the criteria, this is the criteria. So we have to select this criteria, and then we press enter. So once we press enter, you see 1608. So this shows the purchases from this time period to this time period. If I change the value over here, as you can see, from 1st of Jan till 8th of Jan, there are 2 purchases. So let's change the value to 8 and press enter. You see the purchases sections immediately changed. So you have to maintain the criteria as well if you want to change it. For example, during this time period, if I change the type to sale and press enter, it shows 4,830 sale during this time period. And if I select refund, it will show me 200. But if I will change the sales criteria from 1st to 3rd and press enter, you see it's 0. So there was no refund during this time period. So this is how you can manage your inventory in terms of calculating how much sales you have done and how much purchases you have done if you want to purchase some goods for your business, and what refunds have you done. So this is just a small way to calculate it. I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.